Hey guys, my name is Asia, and in this video I'm going to show you how I transformed a workout top. So if you want to see how I did that, then keep on watching. Alright, so you can actually skip this step, but the first thing that I did was cut off the sleeves on both sides. Then I took a crop top that I already own and I lined it up with the collar part of the yellow shirt, and then I just cut around that shape. So next I hemmed the shirt, and to do that I flipped the shirt inside out and I pinned down the right and the left sides. Then I went ahead and pinned the armpit part of the shirt as well as the collar part. And then once I did that, I sewed everything into place. So word of advice and something that I learned today is when you're sewing with stretch fabric, make sure you sew with a stretch needle, not with a regular needle. A regular needle will like get stuck in the fabric and it's just not a good time. Once I did that, I hemmed the shirt by folding it up about 1/2 inch and then pinned that down and sewed it into place. So I was gonna use the bottom half of the shirt and the sleeves to make some shorts, but as you can see in the clip, there was definitely not enough fabric. So we're just gonna roll with the shirt, and now I'm gonna show you guys how the shirt turned out. So this is how the shirt turned out. What do we think? I live in Atlanta, so it's still extremely hot outside, so I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this. Let me know what you guys think about the shirt in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.